Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm going to read you the 4th grade addition and subtraction of whole numbers and decimals unit assessment. You can pause, replay, and do whatever you need. This is just for your oral administration. Question 1. Mr. Travis bought 2 7/8 grams of hamburger meat and 4 6/10 grams of turkey meat and 13 200 grams of chicken for a barbecue. How many grams of meat did Mr. Travis buy? A. 19 86 grams. B. 20 40 grams. C. 20 4/10 grams. Or D. 8 7/10 grams. Number 2. Jill went to the dollar store with a $20 bill. She purchased a coloring book for $1.23 and 2 stuffed animals for $3.08 each. How much change should Jill receive from her $20 bill? Record your answer in the boxes below. Be sure to use the correct place value. Your decimal's right there, so put everything around your decimal. Number 3. Kroger purchased $345,708 worth of produce for their store in May. They purchased $600,987 in June. How much money did Kroger spend on produce for these 2 months? A. $265,911. B. $255,909. C. $946,065. D. $945,955. Number 4. Kara had a piece of ribbon that was 23 centimeters long. She cut off a piece that was 9 5/100 centimeter. How much ribbon did she have left? A. 7 25/100. B. 14 99/100. C. 13 95/100. Or D. 32 5/100. So going back up to 5, right here. Joe got 34,867 points playing a video game, and Carlos got 29,978 points. How many more points did Joe get than Carlos? A. 14,889. B. 4,999. C. 4,989. Or D. 4,889. Number 6. It took the YMCA 3 years to raise $78,904 for their after-school program. In the first year, they raised $29,006, and in the second year, they raised $30,875. Which equation can be used to find T, the amount of money raised in the third year? A. T equals 78,904 plus 29,006 plus 30,875. B. T equals 78,904 minus 29,006 minus 30,875. C. T equals 29,006 plus 30,875. Or D. T equals 29,006 minus 39,875. Number 7. The table shows the number of tickets sold for the school play. Which is the best estimate of the total tickets sold? Thursday was 320. Friday was 282. Saturday was 375. So would that be A, 1,100, B, 1,000, C, 900, or D, 800? Number 8. Darla's book had 1,323 pages. She read 141 pages on Friday and 509 pages on Saturday. Which diagram can be used to find P, the number of pages she had left to read? So one of these strip diagrams matches this story. Number 9. Gia was growing plants for a science experiment. She wanted to see which flower grew the most over a 3-week period. The table below shows the growth of each flower. Marigolds was 17 3/10. Roses was 20 5/100. Jasmine was 22 9/10. Lilies were 18. Daisies were 14 2/200. What is the difference in height between the marigolds and the daisies? Record your answer in the box below. Be sure to use the correct place value. Remember your decimals right there. So get your answer and then put the digits around your decimal in the right place. Number 10. For the spring break, Henry flew 1,506 miles from Boston to Dallas, and Gus flew 1,438 miles from Los Angeles to Dallas. Which equation cannot be used to find M? How many more miles Henry flew than Gus? So one of these equations matches or does not match how to find how many more miles Henry flew than Gus. You're trying to find the one that does not work. 11. Bob and Rob are twins. They both weigh 123 1/1600 pounds. Their younger brother Tom weighs 105 8700 pounds. What is the total weight of these brothers? Remember, there is 3 brothers. 3 brothers. 1, 2, 3. Number 12. Joel was doing research on the longest rivers in the United States. The chart below shows the length of each of these rivers. The Mississippi is 3,780 kilometers. The Missouri River is 3,726 kilometers, and the Ohio River is 1,579 kilometers. What is a reasonable estimate for how much longer the Mississippi River is than the Ohio River? How much longer, and it's an estimate. 2,200, 2,100, 1,900, or 1,800 kilometers. All right, do your best. Remember, you can replay these parts as much as you need. Go back, slow it down, replay it. This is for you. You're going to do awesome, and I will see you in a little bit.